Yes, so my country people, I truly salute. Chelsea won and Liverpool won. New season, Chelsea don't share points with Liverpool, but we get Oga JJ here with you. Bunge, Chelsea fan make tell us about how in see this game. Oga JJ, I beg, tell country people how you see your team performance for this match.
My team they perform well, and I see the game a very interesting game from both sides. We play well, same thing with Liverpool, and our defense they really did well. The attack did well, but we don't get small error for the midfield when it comes to Kono Gallagher. But all the same, we get a draw, and getting a draw is a very good point. And as for Liverpool, they get good players. They sign come. The likes of McAllister, the likes of Zobosla and all that, and then they said they still do well. Even with their defense, the likes of Konate, they do well. So to me myself, I really expect a very good game, a better game for Liverpool. But at the end, I thank God that my team draw. My team not disgrace me, and I thank God for the 1-1 draw. Let's say we play.
All right, now make I ask you, Oga JJ. Now, which player for Chelsea you go say na him be your man of the match? The player where you think say play past all the rest Chelsea player.
Okay, so me, the player when I say I watch, though all my players all of them play well, but my best player when I know say if he play for this match now Enzo Fernandez. Yeah, that's my best player because why? Because he do audio creativity for the game, audio work, everything on the midfield. He makes some accurate pass and he makes some ball recovery and everything. So I choose him as a man of the match, as the best player in the pitch. But altogether, every other player did well. Everybody try, including the coach, everybody do well. Yeah.
So I want to ask you, Oga JJ, you get one incident where happen for the game. That ball wey touch Jackson hand. You be Chelsea fan o, but that ball wey touch Jackson hand for inside penalty, for inside 18. But ref no blow, VAR no talk say na penalty. Some Liverpool fans here dey complain, some opposition fans dey complain say that ball suppose be penalty. But you, with wetin you see, na penalty or no penalty?
So my own point of view, that ball, it be like a foul ball, be like a foul ball. But my own point of view to the Storm team, that ball really no be penalty because Jackson was trying to put his hand back. His hand dey close to his body. So as me say he bring the hand out, he come out take touch the ball, penalty. But now the way he himself approach himself, well I say he try jump. I mean the ref, I mean our position. We say the ball na penalty. But to my own point of view towards something, that ball no penalty at all. No penalty for me at all.
So make I ask you now, Oga JJ, wetin be your expectation from Chelsea this season? You be Chelsea fan, where you dey expect say by the end of this season, this team go finish?
Okay, as a Chelsea fan, my expectation this season, I expect us to do well this season. I expect my team to do well and to go as far as to make top four because that top four is my greatest challenge for this season. Because I don't say this season it's not going to be an easy season. And still I say they rebuild our team. So my main primary target for my team now for my team to make top four and qualify for Champions League next season.
So I want ask you about one player now wey don dey linked with Chelsea. How you dey see the link with Moises Caicedo? To you, in what that money, how you see am?
If you ask me, Moises Caicedo, he worth that money because now kind of player I know say he go bring creativity come Chelsea and to the Chelsea football club and the players. Now a guy I know say he sabi play football, he's ready to play football, he's very creative and all that. And a guy I know say if he dey on the pitch, things go happen. And it remind me of our player, let's say, don't leave, go Saudi Arabia, who is N'Golo Kante. He's the perfect match. So bringing him to the team is a very it's a very good decision and a perfect replacement for N'Golo Kante.
All right, now, Oga JJ, thank you for your time. Your face show.